Now Mark is going to remove the rubber brake hose that goes from the body of the car to the axle. These are always frozen up. They're always a hassle to take off. He's spraying the rust dissolving penetrating oil on there, popping the clip loose so that you can push the steel line through the hole. You can't get the brake hose fitting loose from the steel brake line fitting, so he's cut the brake hose. We're not going to reuse them to avoid any possibility of pressure building up in that line. Most of the time they don't want to explode after you cut them. Oh, this one wants to explode anyhow. See, it was dripping and everything. We thought we had ourselves clear, but it still exploded. So I can't explain why the pressure builds up like that, but it happens. So Mark was careful. He was wearing good safety gear. Nobody's damaged by it, but it didn't make it any more fun to get it off. And now the line is freed up. He can't get the. You notice he changed wrenches there a minute ago. He wasn't getting good purchase with the 7/16 tubing wrench, so he got an 11 millimeter. As the fitting has rusted over the years, it's actually reduced in size. So he got the 11 millimeter wrench and it fit real tight.